Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will delve into the intricate process of repairing the motherboard of the Dell XPS P153G. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, and an anti-static wrist strap. Ensuring you have the right tools is crucial for a successful repair. Start by powering down the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery to prevent any electrical hazards. Next, use the Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew the back panel. Be sure to keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. Once the back panel is removed, you will have access to the internal components. Here, you should carefully inspect the motherboard for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or swollen capacitors. If you find any, it's important to note that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get a clear understanding of the repairs needed. Before proceeding, clean the area around the motherboard with isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth. This helps remove any dust or debris that could interfere with the repair process. If you don't have the tools or the time to handle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Next, locate the screws holding the motherboard in place. Carefully remove them, ensuring you do not lose any in the process. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motherboard from the chassis. Be cautious of any attached cables or connectors. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that you've removed all screws and connectors. Now, inspect the underside of the motherboard. Look for any signs of corrosion or damage. If necessary, apply thermal paste to the CPU before reassembling. This step is vital for ensuring proper thermal management. After completing the inspection and any necessary repairs, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the motherboard back into the chassis, reconnect any cables you had previously disconnected, and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. If you feel unsure at any point, remember that we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to understand the costs involved before committing to any work. Finally, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws. Reinsert the battery, power up the laptop, and monitor its performance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Our service includes no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get the help you need without any hassle. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.